you use Instagram and you are stuck on the waiting for connection error on it, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you quick and easy fixes on how to fix waiting for connection on the Instagram. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet is working. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. Now step 2. Restart Instagram. Close the app completely, just like this, and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone. Step 3. Clear the cache of the Instagram. For that, go to the Settings app. Then go to the General, just right here. Tap onto iPhone storage. Then search the Instagram app, just like this, and open it. After opening the app, tap onto Offload app. And after offloading the app, the cache will be cleared. And after doing it, you need to reinstall the app. Step 4 is to update the Instagram. Go to your app store and type Instagram and search for it and open it. And if there is the update version, simply tap on to update. And if the issue persists, just uninstall the Instagram app, just like this, and tap on to remove app. And after removing it, simply reinstall it. And that's it. Try these steps and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.